Alright you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Hannah and today we are going to do a flexi rod set. I've done one before that's been on my TikTok. I'm going to put the video somewhere right here, and as you can see from that one, it was a really quick one if you didn't get to see it, where I literally put flexi rods in my hair for I think to sit for all of 3 hours, so I didn't get the full effect that I wanted. So today we're going to do a full flexi rod set on these locks, and I'm super excited because I've seen them come out really well when like they actually have the time to sit. Hope you enjoy this video, and I hope that this video gives you a cute little style that you can try for your locks. So to do this style, all I used was some rosemary and water spray, some oil, and then Crème of Nature's styling mousse. And if you want to see the specifics of the products, they will be in the description box. So here I just wanted to show you guys that there isn't any buildup with using the Crème of Nature styling mousse, which I really love and I've used on my locks before. This is the final, this is not the final anything. This is it with all the rollers in. All right, it's a new day. No, it's a new day, and it's time to take these down. I'm super excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope they come out right. I got my little face together for the most part. Drink my little coffee, so I'm super excited to take these down. All right, my hair is fully out of the rollers. This one looks like just fresh out. I don't know how I want to style it yet. I did not think that far. I don't know why I thought it was just gonna be, I don't know. I probably thought I was just gonna wear it down. Not saying I won't, but I don't know if I want to wear it down. So this is the look I ended up doing. All I did was I pulled my hair half up, and then I have the other half down. And then I pulled 4 clumps that I curled together and put them forward. And this is the look. I'm super excited. I hope these curls last long so I can do some styles maybe and play around with them. But this was super easy to do. I low-key might start doing this very often, like every other week, or every few weeks, but yeah. I really love these curls. These came out so much better than it did the first time when I was brushing. So definitely letting them sit longer and using mousse clearly made the difference. If you like this video, make sure you're liking, comment, subscribing to the channel, and let me know if you do flexi rods often or if you have another method that you use to curl your locks, because I'm willing to try that too. But I hope you guys love the video, and I will catch you guys next time. If you want to connect with me on my Instagram or on my TikTok. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.